How to report a fake Facebook account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can report a fake Facebook account. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta locate the fake Facebook account. So whether if a profile is spamming you or it's really fake. So first of all, you gotta navigate that profile. Go to the search bar over here and search for that account. For example, this is the account that I wish to report. Once you're redirected to the profile, what you gotta do is click on these three dots over here. And then you'll be able to see this option that says report profile. Click on it and you'll be able to see two options that says what do you want to report if someone is in immediate danger, get help before reporting to Facebook. So first we have is something about this profile and a specific post. Now if the whole profile is fake, you can simply click on something about this profile. And then it's going to ask you, why are you reporting this profile? So in this, you'll be able to see this option that says fake profile. You're going to click on it. And then they're going to ask you that who or what is it pretending to be? Like, who is this account impersonating? So if it's you, a friend, a celebrity, a public figure, a business, or they're not even a real person. So you can simply select that. For example, I'm going to click on me over here. And then it's going to say that you're about to submit a report. So what do you want to report? Something about this profile. Why are you reporting this profile? Because it's fake. And who or what is it pretending to be? That is me. Click on submit. And then you'll be able to see that your report has been submitted. Now they have received your report and it is awaiting review. Once the decision is made, you'll be able to see the notification. So that is basically how you can report a fake Facebook account. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.